Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be making this amazing garlic butter shrimp, guys. I do hope you guys enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, comment, share. Now let's cook. So guys, here we have our shrimp, and I already went ahead and I picked off the shells. I also deveined them. Now I'm gonna be seasoning it with paprika, Cajun seasoning, some dried parsley flakes, garlic powder, onion powder. Now I'm just gonna drizzle some oil over it just so that the season can stick to it. Now I'm just gonna rub the season in with that shrimp, just making sure that each piece is they're well coated. Guys, I'll be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below, so please go ahead and check that out. Also, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Help a sister out, you know, please. Okay. Now in a skillet on medium to high heat, I'm adding olive oil, and this is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm just gonna let that heat. Then I'm gonna be adding my shrimp. So now I'm adding the shrimp, and I'm gonna cook it for about a minute on each side because I will be tossing it in the garlic butter sauce after I finish pan searing them. Now I'm looking for a beautiful golden looking sear, and this is a perfect color I'm looking for. Now this is a perfect sear that I'm looking for, just absolutely amazing. Okay, so now I'm removing the shrimp, and I'm gonna add the second batch, and I'm just gonna repeat the process. Now guys, in that same skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Now I'm gonna let that heat. Then I'm gonna saute some garlic, and I'm using fresh chopped garlic. So now I'm gonna let those saute for a minute. Then I'm gonna add some dried parsley flakes as well, just so that it can give it this additional flavor. And guys, this smells so good. Oh my god, I can't even. So good, guys. So I'm adding the shrimp to that skillet. Now I'm gonna toss the shrimp in that garlic butter, that amazing garlic butter sauce, guys. So good. Now I'm gonna toss this for a minute, no longer, because you don't want a rubbery shrimp. It's just a no-no, guys. A tough shrimp is it's just a no-no, okay? So for exactly a minute, guys. Now look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Oh my god. Guys, this was so good. I promise you, it was so good, guys. You have to try this. Please try this recipe. Try this recipe, I beg of you. It's so good. So guys, I topped it off with some dried chives, and yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.